Okay, hi, David here, head of youth department for the FOC, and as we come to the final day, the final stage of this baby league, it's the work done by the coordinators and the other coaches to make this a success has been tremendous. The participation has been very good. And FOC, Football for Change, we have always, it's one of our principles, that is development of the grassroots. That has been our core principles. And actually, it's not the first time. We've been doing it since our inception, 2016-17, when there was no such thing as baby league. We would just call it the beginners league. And since then on, we've always been trying to involve as many kids into such programs, given that right now it's their summer vacation, and it's a best opportunity for them to involve in outdoor activities. And as a head of youth department myself, I've seen a lot of changes, especially with the introduction of technology and people getting more indoors rather than outdoors. So activities like this gives them an opportunity to a platform, that is to play, enjoy, have fun, be competitive, and also if there are good players, it's an opportunity for us to scout them as well.
I'm myself Momon.
Yeah, and I'm Mimin. We are the coordinators of the ongoing Golden Baby League.
And what has been so different this year when compared to the other year about the baby league?
So one of the things that since this is the first year, this is the first year that we are hosting the baby league. The response has been quite good, though we didn't really expect that many, but the response has been quite good. And at the same time, as the matches kept going, we had a lot more people who wanted to join in. So we'll be hoping that in the coming months or years, if we continue to have baby league, we will maybe have better responses. And right now I think it's going on well.
What are the plans for maybe in the future? Maybe what have you learned so far about through these leagues, and what are the future plans?
So I mean, when we talk about the future, so one of the things that we're looking ahead is to involve as many kids as possible, and in fact many more, because I mean, we believe that this will be let's say a path. This will lead to the to people knowing about the baby league more, and as well as parents and people in the society helping, I mean, realizing how important the holistic development of a child is, maybe the physical, mental, and this is one of the ways in which we can actually provide that. And I think it's a really good thing. It has not been easy this first year, because we are also learning, but at the same time, I think in the coming years it'll be much better. And yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.